All know that all the knowledge of the world is in concept. So for mastering the concept, I would like to invite Nikita. So give a huge round of applause for Nikita.
Great morning, everyone.
Very great morning, Nikita.
First of all, I would like to pay my humble thanks to Mr. Vijay Gandhi sir, who issued me such a nice opportunity to speak here. I am Nikita. I am a proud pupil of 12th Science of Sunrise Public School. Today, I am here to do mastering the concept. It is from subject physics, and today we are here to deal with some numerical problems. The question says that check that the ratio k square divided by g MEMP is dimensionless, but we are to prove that the ratio is dimensionless, and further it is saying that look up a table of physical constants and determine the value of this ratio. And what does this ratio signify? First of all, we are to prove that this ratio is dimensionless. After watching the ratio, we should have a rough idea that this is a ratio of Coulomb's law of electrostatics, k square, and this is the gravitational force. So, what can we conclude from here? Let us study first Coulomb's law of electrostatics. The expression for Coulomb's law of electrostatics is F is equal to K E square divided by R square. This are equation number 1. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay, ahead in next step, we are going to discuss the gravitational force Fg. This is equal to G ME MP divided by R square. Here K is the constant and E. What is E here? It is the value of charge which we consider as E, and R is the distance. Here G is the gravitational constant, ME is mass of electron, and MP is mass of proton divided by their R square, means distance square. Let this equation number 2. We have to prove k square divided by g MEMP. If we divide equation number 1 by equation number 2, what we will get? We will get as Fe divided by Fg. This is equal to ke square divided by R square and further divided by g MEMP upon R square. To make this calculation easy, let us suppose that this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and let us arrange these things in the graded system. We will get it as A into D divided by B into C. Putting the values according to order, we will get it as ke square divided by R square into R square divided by g MEMP. Any doubt?
No.
Okay. R square cancel out R square and we are left with ke square divided by g MEMP. This is the ratio of force of electrostatic force to gravitational force. What is this ratio? Electrostatic force to gravitational force. Further, we are to prove that this is dimensionless. What does K stand for? It stands for K is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and its value is 9 into 10 raised to power 9 Newton meter square per Coulomb square. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. Let us put its SI unit here. We will get it as Newton meter square per Coulomb square into E square. What is E? We consider this is the charge, and the SI unit of charge is Coulomb square. It is Coulomb, but it is in square. We will take it as Coulomb square. And divided by G. G is gravitational constant, and its value is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Any doubt till here? No. Okay. Putting the SI unit here, Newton meter square per kilogram square into mass of electron ME. This is equal to 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg. Further putting the SI unit of mass of electron, it is equal to kg, and similarly mass of proton is MP is equal to 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. Putting this value here, we will get it as kg. Base are same, power will be add. Same here, so power will be add. What will happen? See, minus 2 plus 2, this will equal to 0, so we will get it as, and the anything whose power is 0, we consider it as 1, so we are left with Newton meter square, cancel out Newton meter square, and this is 1 we studied here. This will similarly also 1 as we have done in the case of Coulomb. So these all quantities will cancel out and we are left with nothing. So we have proved that this is dimensionless. This is dimensionless. Okay. As we have studied here, this ratio is dimensionless. Now further it is asking the question, what does this ratio signify? This ratio signifies the force of electrostatic to the gravitational force. What is this signifying? Force of electrostatic to force of gravitation. What is it signifying? Force of electrostatic to force of gravitation. So in this question we discussed that this is dimensionless, and now we are to calculate the numerical value of this. As we have proved that this is the ratio of electrostatic force to gravitational force. Now we will calculate its numerical value. So numerical value of K is 9 into 10 raised to power 9 Newton meter square. Sorry, we will not consider its SI unit because earlier we have proved that this is dimensionless. We will write it only its numerical value, and E square, that is equal to, what is E? 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19, and this is in whole square, divided by value of G is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11, and mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31. Similarly, mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27. Any doubt till here? No. Okay. When we will calculate these values, we will get our final answer as 2.287 into 10 raised to power minus 39. In every numerical value we use the quantity. Why we have not used the quantity here? Anyone? After solving this equation, we get our numerical value as 2.287 into 10 raised to power 39. In every numerical value we use the SI unit. Anyone can tell me that why do not we use here SI unit, any type of SI unit? Everyone know the answer. Yes, Kanika?
Because this is a dimensionless quantity.
Right answer. Clap for Kanika. Hence we proved a recent question. Here I end my words. Thank you for listening me. Thank you and have a nice day.